Hey there! If you make products that come in different versions, like scents, sizes, or colors, this one's for you. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how Craftybase Variations help you stay organized and on top of your inventory. So what are variations in Craftybase? They're a way to group different versions of the same product together, much like siblings under a family name. Let me tell you why you'll love variations. First, they help you stay organized by grouping similar products without cluttering your product list. Second, they allow you to track specifics, as each version can have its own inventory, pricing, and recipe. Lastly, they enable you to sell smarter, because variations link individually to your sales channels, so you always know what's selling and what needs restocking. Now, let's create our first variation in Craftybase. To begin, go to your products list and select a product that has multiple versions. Then click on the Variations tab located directly under the product name. This is where you'll manage all the different versions of your product. Next, click the Manage Attributes button to start creating your variations. We need to define what makes each version unique and create attributes. For this, please select Add Attributes. In this case, our soaps will differ based on their fragrance, so we will use fragrance as our attribute name. The values for this attribute will include the different fragrance options that I offer. You can also create multiple attributes, such as colors or sizes, depending on your needs. If another product has the same attributes, you can use the Copy All Attributes option to simplify your process next time. Once you have created the attribute and its values, you can now create your first variation. Hover over your mouse on the ellipsis menu next to your product name and select Add Variation. In the new variation form, you will see them appear in a drop-down menu in the Attributes section. For this tutorial, we will select lavender as the fragrance to start working with. You will be able to customize each variation individually by assigning its own SKU, photo, default sales price, low stock limit, state, and notes. On this page, you can even select if you want to auto-manufacture this variation or not. Once you complete the details of your variation, please select Save to create your first variation. By creating variations for your products, you get a clear inventory tracking for each version, accurate costings, and recipes that match how you manufacture, and clean product organization that simplifies fulfillment and reporting. It's a powerful way to reduce admin and boost clarity in your manufacturing workflow. And that's it. You've successfully set up variations in Craftybase. If you'd like more detail, check out the linked knowledge base article below. Thanks for watching, and happy making with Craftybase.